All right, guys. So today we're looking at the DJI Mavic 3 thermal, and we're out here at the DJI store by Drone Nerds in Miami, in Florida. So straight out of the box, of course, you have the hard case, which you guys can see right here. And then you have the foam to protect all the components that we have inside. Inside you have right here the smart controller with the screen. So this makes it really easy and fast to deploy the drone. The sticks, I believe they are somewhere here in the back. You can see right there. So you take that out and then you install them for both the left and the right. Also you have the antenna. And the range for this is actually 15 kilometers as opposed to the 10 kilometers for the Mavic Air 2 and Mavic Air 2 S and also the Mini 3. Okay, what else do we have? Here we have the drone itself. As you guys can see, it comes with a protective cover. You've got the cameras there, the infrared, bottom left, bottom right, you have the wide angle, and at both you have the zoom camera. 3 different cameras. At the bottom you have the light and also sensors for when you're landing. So I'll make a quick cut here and take this phone call real quick.